If your treatment center does not include the chemical suction hose cleaning option, the suction system must be cleaned separately. Remove the gold trap. Then clean the cuspidor. Insert the cleaning adapter, making sure it is inserted as far as it will go. Prepare the cleaning solution as per the manufacturer's instructions and pour this in the cuspidor. Remove the suction hoses from their holders and attach them to the cleaning adapters simultaneously. Allow the cleaning solution time to work in the unit. Note the manufacturer's instructions in terms of exposure time. Following the cleaning process, pour at least 1 liter of water into the cuspidor. The water is drained, thus preventing any cleaning agent residues from remaining in the suction hoses. After finishing the suction process, pull off the hoses and place them back in their position. Remove the cleaning adapter and reinsert the gold trap. Pull the filter housing from the connections on the assistant element and then disconnect the suction hoses from the filter housing. Take the collectors out of the suction hoses. Clean the filter inserts in the suction hoses. These serve to retain solid particles such as amalgam. Activate the Auto Purge function in the submenu of the Start dialog. Attach the instrument hoses of the dentist and assistant elements and the suction hoses to the designated adapters in the water unit, and then press Start. The instrument hoses are flushed for the set time and the suction hoses are cleaned. Leave the hoses in the adapters after the end of the program. The Auto Purge program commences automatically in the morning when you switch your treatment center on. Next, switch the treatment center off at the main switch. Remove all hygiene-critical parts for reprocessing. The instrument holders on the dentist and assistant element, the handles of the dentist element, and the tray can all be thermo-disinfected. The silicone pads and the handles of the operating light can be sterilized. Remove the gold trap and then take off the cuspidor for thorough cleaning. Now clean the tumbler filler, the cup holder, and the swivel unit. Then reattach the cleaned cuspidor and the gold trap. Switch your treatment center off at the power switch.